Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get the tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera with Pro Access Tailgate. Allows you to have easier access to your bed. You get hooks, tie downs, all that jazz. Outlets, got lights as well. Measurements. It is fully powered, so we'll go up and down automatically. We got mud flaps on the rear and front with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, bed utility package, and the mobile office package. We got gripped running boards on either side with blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated, side view camera, and a nice black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats with a carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, flat fold storage system with cup holders and storage, rear vents, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and a nice split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space in the back with powered windows, mirrors, locks, power folding mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers, tailgate, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 28 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, talk-free screen, phone and media with volume, voice, cruise control, digital speedometer, RPMs, all your usuals there. My view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info with navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible storage cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close here. You got your center console here as well with that interior work surface, perfect for a laptop, food, totally up to you. Normal storage below with drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, dual climate up front with heated front seats, cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. You also get your features for your twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, auto stop, auto start, and Ford's Blue Cruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We got your audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, navigation, you can search recent saved, all right here, zoom in and out, pretty accurate, and you do get little red dots to show you where your vehicle's been, and fave apps such as messaging, email. Any apps you may download will show up in here with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB38751, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.